Okay, now something that I'm going to do in between testing keyboards is I'm going to try using the iPad's on-screen keyboard to type the same thing that I've been typing with keyboards as well as the laptop. So the ZAGGfolio keyboard did it in 51 seconds faster than the laptop. I'm going to now try it just with the on-screen keyboard. And you know, I'm okay touch typing with the on-screen keyboard, so this will be interesting to see how it goes, but I'm sure it'll be pretty rough. Here we go. Yeah. Gotta find the Euro symbol. Oh my gosh, so painful. Okay, now I'm gonna select, grab this, and cut, and put it up here, paste. Okay, done. So it took me 1:58, which was not very much longer than it took me to do it with this one, the iWriter. I did that in 1:46. So the iWriter is actually hardly better than the on-screen keyboard. But the ZAGGfolio keyboard, this one, I did it in 51 seconds. So quite a difference between the two. Now I'm going to try the next keyboard, which is what I think is my favorite. Same keyboard as this ZAGGfolio. It's a keyboard that's made by ZAGG. You can see there's a little ZAGG icon right there. But it's Logitech branded. So same keyboard as this ZAGGfolio, but it's a minimalist keyboard here. And here's why I love it. I've been using it. I mean, I've had all of these for about a week, and I've just found myself using this one. And here's why. Let me go ahead and do a couple things here. Let me just get rid of this, and let me just show you. I really love using this keyboard because I can keep the Apple cover on the iPad. Now, it's not really made for this. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to not use the cover, and you can see that this keyboard has a place here where the charging port is, and you're supposed to put the iPad upside down like this, and it fits right in pretty securely, pretty snugly, and it's got a place for the headphone jack, and it's got a place for the charging port, etc. But you can actually hack it. Do you see how one side of this is low, and that's so that you can reach in and grab the iPad out? Well, what I found was that if I have the Apple cover on, I can actually put it into here backwards, which means that this charging port is upside down from where it's supposed to be, but I don't care about that. I charge it out, and it fits. This fits inside the indentation, which is awesome, and everything still fits. So I can literally carry this around and easily take it out. When I take it out, I can choose not to use this and just use the iPad, or it's not difficult to just pop it in here. And then this keyboard can hang behind it, or if you really are anal about it, you can tuck it in like this. To me, this is a huge deal. It might not be to you, but I just love having that flexibility of keeping that Apple keyboard or that Apple cover on the iPad, and then being able to take with me just the iPad. And when I do decide to take everything with me, it's just super low profile like this, and it's very easy to pop in and just take. So I think this is awesome, like really awesome, even though I don't think they meant for it to be this way because it's in there backwards. Also, I've got this skin on my iPad, and this keyboard doesn't mess it up where the other ones do, which you'll see as I test these keyboards. You know, the skin on, for example, the ZAGGfolio, which is the same keyboard but a different case, was getting messed up when I put it in. So, alright, let's see how long it takes me to do the test. On this one, it should be the same as the ZAGGfolio. So again, it took me a minute 58. Let me just write this down, a minute 58 on the on-screen. And it took me 56 seconds, or 51 seconds on the ZAGGfolio. So now, let's test this one. And, oh, I have to pair the keyboard first. Hold on. Turn this guy on and hit connect. And here it is, Logitech Keyboard Case. Now we're connected. Good to go. Alright, let's give this a shot. And here we go. Okay, I'm going to grab this, select, and take it here. I'm going to cut, then I'm going to paste, bam. Wow, unbelievable. Just crazy how fast these keyboards are. 45 seconds. The other one took me 51 seconds, same keyboard. Probably just because I'm getting better at writing this down. But, I mean, it's just incredible. These keyboards are as fast, actually faster than the MacBook Pro keyboard that I was using. So it's just really awesome keyboard. I'm super impressed. Let me just show you the keys real fast so you can see what you're getting with this keyboard. So you'll see what happens in the background here. So this gives me the ability to go to the start screen. I can go to the search screen, which is right there. Yeah, get it oriented correctly. I can go to photos. I guess I'm not sure what this guy's supposed to do. I couldn't figure it out on the last keyboard that was the same. I would think that it would pull up the on-screen keyboard, but it doesn't do that. Let me just tap on here. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, so it's pulling on the on-screen keyboard, which is cool. I've got a cut, copy, and paste buttons here, which some of the keyboards don't have. So I don't know if you can see, but I'm pasting text over and over again on the iPad right now by hitting this paste button. I've got audio controls, and then I've got volume. So volume up and down, and then I've got a screen lock. So this keypad, awesome so far. Okay, I'm gonna try the full screen Logitech keyboard next, which is a fold-up keyboard. So watch that video if you want to see how this one performs.